So the holidays are coming. You're going to start seeing some more videos from me as far as cooking and etc. But I was thinking today that I had never showed you what type of accessible items I use in the kitchen as a blind person when I am preparing things. Now, for the most part, I don't have a lot of accessible items because I don't feel I need them. But the few that I do have, I use quite a bit. And let me just show you a few things today. These are my measuring spoons. Now, when you look at these, they look just like a standard set of measuring spoons. They go from as small as 1/64 of a teaspoon, which would be just a pinch. That's something I wouldn't use. If somebody wanted that size of a spoon in there, I would probably just reach in whatever if I could and grab a pinch. Clear up to 2 tablespoons. Now, I'm gonna pull this 2 tablespoon off here and try to show you as best as I can on the video. In Braille here, you'll see the number 2 and a T. Well, you're not gonna know that because you probably don't know Braille. And Jen, are these large print as well?
Not really, no.
So there's the regular marking for somebody that's sighted, but in Braille, there's a number 2 and then there's a letter T. Now, if I pick up, for example, the 1 teaspoon, I know that it's 1 teaspoon because it just has the number 1. It's not followed by the letter T. So that's how I can identify my spoons. The next thing I use on a very regular basis are my Braille measuring cups, and they're made just like the spoons basically. There's Braille and print on them. They go from 1/8 of a cup clear up to 2 cups, and I'm going to show you the 2 cup. So here's my 2 cupper, and it has the number 2 and the letter C for 2 cups, and you can see it in print as well. And if I were to pick up the 1/8 cup, it has a 1/8 in Braille. So I'm able to tell what it is. And finally, I have my talking instant read thermometer with a nice visual display. But the cool part about it is I can push this button
74.3 degrees Fahrenheit
and hear the temperature of what I'm cooking. Have a great day.